routine for a purpose. So I get up early in the morning so that I can take 1 more hour for my studies. And after that, I go for a morning walk because I have to take my health seriously. And after that, I brush my teeth so that I can keep my teeth proper and clean. And after that, I take a bath for because I feel energetic. And after that, I offers the prayers because so that I can keep my mind fresh and free from the negative thoughts. And after that, I pack my bag so that I can study in school properly. And after that, I take breakfast for my energy for whole day. And after that, I leave my home early because I have to reach school on time. And after that, I study in the school so that I can achieve success. And after that, I do breakfast, I do lunch there so that I can feel energetic for the next periods. And after that, I leave school and reach home early. And after that, I take siesta by reaching the home so that I can feel refreshment. And after that, I go for playing in the evening so that I can feel relaxed and take my health seriously. And after that, I take bath again so that I can feel relaxed. And after that, I watch Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma on the television for entertainment. And after that, I spend quality time with my family members to stand together with each other. And after that, I take dinner. And after that, I go to my bed for get up early in the morning. So that's all about my daily routine. Now I would like to invite Suraj for telling their daily routine.
Hi, this is Suraj. Is here to tell my daily routine to you all. So first of all, I get up early in the morning to stay fresh. Then I see my farm to have an envelope around me for a positive environment. Then I go for morning walk to stay healthy. Then I do light exercise there to stay healthy. Then I return to my home to get ready for the school on time. Then I brush my teeth so that my teeth can stay healthy. Then I take my bath. Then I take bath for stay hygienic. Then I take my breakfast so that I can feel my nutrition. Then I get ready for school so that I can go school on time. Then I reach school on time so that I can study punctually. Then I study this for my future. Then I take my lunch to fulfill my nutrition. Then I study again to for continuing the consistency. Then I return to my home to take rest. Then I take siesta for getting fresh. Then I take refreshment so that I can feel energetic. Then I go for playing so that I can be physically good. Then I return to my home. Then I do my homework for my success. Then I take my dinner so that I can balance my nutrition. Then I spend my time with my family so that we can be happy with each other. Then I go to bed. That's all about myself.